Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow others on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app, then tap on the search icon at the bottom section, tap on search for ideas in the top section, and here you can type in a name or anything that you are interested in. And then tap on profiles in the top section. And here you can see the results, other people's profiles or pages. And if there is something that you're interested in, then you can follow it. Tap on follow at the right side of the screen. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.